At this point, with this new YouTube monetization update, I think we need a Telegram group. Please, who is interested? We need a Telegram group because we need to hit 4,000 watch hour before February. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers before February, because tell me why. YouTube is making it harder for creators to qualify for monetization, especially short creators, but it's also creating more ways for creators who are already in the program to make more money. Here is how. Don't get me wrong, YouTube is changing some of its monetization rules from February 1st, 2027. And these are the big things that we need to understand about these major changes. Now, for Premium Lite, this means that more money for creators. Now, YouTube is introducing a cheaper version of Premium called Premium Lite. A portion of subscription money that goes into pool that is shared among the creators. Now, according to YouTube, Premium Lite puts 60% of subscription revenue into the creators pool, right, compared with 30% for regular Premium. So that means that long form videos get 55% of that pool and short form videos get 45%. So basically, more Premium subscribers, potentially more money available for creators. Now, getting monetized in the first place is going to become so harder, and this is probably the biggest issue that everybody is having right now. So currently, what you need for you to get monetized on YouTube is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 1,000 subscribers or 10 million shots in 90 days. However, according to YouTube, from February 1st, 2027, new applicants like you and I that have not hit 1,000 subscribers, we are going to be needing 1,000 subscribers plus 8,000 watch hours, or 1,000 subscribers plus 20 million short views in 90 days. So basically, the requirement has doubled. The important part is, if you're already monetized, the new requirements don't kick you out of the partner program. You're already there, is that you're already there. But if you're not monetized yet, like me, this message just means one thing: you have until February for you to be able to get monetized. If not, yeah, you're going to like double your hustle. And YouTube is also introducing other ways that creators can earn money, such as ads, YouTube shopping, brand deal incentives, and other creator rewards. At this point, please let us support ourselves in the comment section. Please. You just have from now to February. That is all you and I have for us to be able to get monetized. Please, if you know that you need, if you know that you want us to have a Telegram group, please let us open a Telegram group. Let us go and help each other and watch each other's videos so that each and everyone can get up to 1,000 watch hours. Please.